you would see more localization. But with the economic problems that are going on, I don't know. I think what you will see is shrinking. You'll see immense amounts of shrinking. I mean, look, Nordstrom, which is one of the healthiest department stores in America, maybe the only one that is, it announced it's closing 16 of its stores. Boom. And I mean, they closed all of them and they're not reopening 16 of them. And that doesn't sound like a lot, but it is a lot. And I think you're going to see a lot of that. You're going to see a lot of store closings. You're going to see a lot of, you're going to see a shrinking of orders. You're going to see that volume thing is going to get smaller because people have less disposable income since nobody has a job.
Yeah.
And they're going to have a backlog of all these clothes that they don't know what to do with. And people are still going to be afraid to shop. I went into our town here, and I mean, shopping with a mask and buying clothes that somebody else has tried on. Ew.
Yeah.
The Bon Marché, interestingly, I mean, how long can they keep this up? They have a lot of money. I mean, it's Bernard Arnault money. They got a lot of money, but they said that every time somebody tries something on at the Bon Marché, first they're going to sanitize the dressing room every time you go in and come out, which is going to cost an arm and a leg, right? And then they're going to steam clean each garment that you don't buy, but you try it on, and leave it hanging in a, and not put it back on the floor. It's going to be like sterilized before it's put back 24 hours. Now, how long can they keep that up? Yeah. And how much money is that going to cost? And is the cost benefit really, if it's cost beneficial, then that tells you how much those clothes are marked up. And then it makes you go, why am I overpaying so much?